Hello friends, welcome to another fantastic listing at 123 Springwood Circle in Lovely Longwood. This unit is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, single story, features over 768 square feet, has a lovely large master bedroom and an ample master walk-in closet to boot. Another important feature in this unit is that it has a washer and dryer connection, which is not common in this neighborhood. Located towards the rear of the Springwood Village community, it gets you away from the hustle and bustle and allows you to enjoy the peace and quiet that this community has to offer. There are several green spaces in the area, 2 community pools, and 2 tennis courts for you to enjoy. Located on 434 and I-4 interchange, at the entrance of the community, you'll also enjoy Bonefish Grille and 4 Rivers. I can almost smell and taste it now. Absolutely wonderful. You can get where you need to go quickly and efficiently, but let's take a look at this unit together. Follow me. So let me know what your favorite feature is. Do you like the living spaces? Is it the master bedroom? Is that screened in patio on the back? Is it the community? Love to hear from you. Let me know in the comments below. Give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And remember, share with your friends. They'll be glad you did.